In the bustling world of construction, where dreams take shape and structures rise to touch the sky, there's a silent hero that often goes unnoticed: steel. Picture this: a sturdy column standing tall, a beam stretching across the horizon, a slab providing a solid foundation, and footings anchoring it all to the earth. What binds these elements together in a dance of strength and resilience? Yes, it's the steel reinforcement bars, or rebar, that play the crucial role of ensuring these structures not only stand, but thrive. Imagine rebar as the backbone of a building. Just like our own spines, which bear the weight of our bodies, rebar supports the weight of the concrete that encases it. Without this steel reinforcement, structures would be nothing more than fragile shells, vulnerable to the forces of nature and the passage of time. So let's dive into the world of rebar and understand why it's so essential in columns, beams, slabs, and footings. First up, columns. These vertical giants are designed to bear loads from the building above. But without rebar, they would be like a tree without roots, swaying dangerously in the wind. The steel inside the concrete provides tensile strength, allowing columns to resist bending and buckling. When the weight of the world is resting on their shoulders, it's the rebar that ensures they don't crumble under pressure. Now, let's talk beams. These horizontal heroes are responsible for transferring loads from the roof and floors down to the columns. Think of them as the bridges connecting different parts of a structure. Without rebar, beams would be as flimsy as a tightrope, risking collapse under the slightest strain. The steel reinforcement gives beams the ability to withstand bending forces, ensuring that they remain steadfast and reliable, no matter what challenges they face. And then we have slabs, the flat surfaces that provide us with floors and ceilings. Picture a dance floor where everyone gathers to celebrate. A slab without rebar would be like a dance floor made of jelly, unstable and unpredictable. The rebar within the slab helps distribute loads evenly, preventing cracks and deflections that could lead to catastrophic failures. It's the unsung hero that keeps our floors intact, allowing us to move freely without fear. Finally, let's not forget about footings, the foundation of it all. Just as a tree needs a strong root system to thrive, a building requires solid footings to support its weight and resist settling. The rebar within footings acts like a safety net, ensuring that even if the ground below shifts or settles, the structure above remains secure. It's a crucial line of defense against the forces of nature. Now you might be wondering, how do we ensure that this silent hero of steel is up to the task? That's where the factor of safety comes into play. In the realm of Indian standards, the factor of safety is like a protective shield, ensuring that structures are built to withstand unforeseen circumstances. It accounts for variables such as material defects, unexpected loads, and environmental factors. By adhering to these standards, engineers can ensure that the rebar is not just adequate, but robust enough to handle the challenges that lie ahead. In the end, the importance of steel rebar in columns, beams, slabs, and footings cannot be overstated. It's the magic ingredient that transforms mere concrete into a fortress of strength and stability. So the next time you walk into a building, take a moment to appreciate the hidden steel that holds it all together. It's the unsung hero, the silent guardian, ensuring that our dreams reach for the stars, anchored firmly to the ground. In the world of construction, steel is not just a material, it's the very essence of safety and reliability.